Hello folks, this is Aitan Ajha from InspiredToRise.com, and today we are going to do a full heating test of the CoolPad Note 3 smartphone, and we will test the temperature of this smartphone out after heavy bouts of gaming, and we will see how well does it perform under these conditions, and we will do a temperature test before and after all of this. So let us just do a temperature test before playing any game, before running anything. It's pretty cool right now. So right now the temperature of the surface is 28 degrees Celsius. So that was the initial temperature, and now let us just play some heavy games on this device, and we will play the games for a long period on this device, and then we will see how well does it perform. The first game that we are going to play is Mortal Kombat X, and let us just start this game. So we have started off with Mortal Kombat X, and the fact is that this game alone is enough to make the whole device heat up to a very high extent. So the gaming session has begun. This is one of the few games that I don't suck at. So the gaming session is underway and the device is heating up a little bit right now. So the gaming session of Mortal Kombat X is somewhat over right now, and just after one bout of this game, let us just see how much is the temperature right now. 32 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius of warming effect on the top of the smartphone, still not that heated up. Let us just continue this game alone for 2 minutes more, and then we will see how much does this device heat up, and then we will move to another game like Asphalt 8 or Dead Trigger. So the CoolPad Note 3 is one of those devices which is really nice for the price for which it retails 9,000 rupees, and it has almost all of the features that we have discussed already in our previous reviews. So the game is underway right now, and we will just switch this game right after this. So it's time to switch games, and we will switch on to another nice game that we have over here. So Asphalt 8 protected by fingerprint verification so that no other person apart from me is able to play the game. So we have started the Asphalt 8 gaming session, and let us just see what Asphalt 8 has in store for us and if it is able to make the device heat up to a really nice extent or not. So right now this area around the camera and the fingerprint sensor region feels really heated up. This area is relatively cool. This is the area which is really heating up. Let us just see what happens after this gaming session. So the game is running right now and it's okay enough. So the device feels a little bit heated up right now. So it has been a really nice session of Asphalt 8 gaming on this device, and let us just see the temperature after this. So it's time to check the temperature right now. (40°C) after playing Asphalt 8 in quick succession to the Mortal Kombat game. And we will just push this device a little bit more and we will move forward to Modern Combat. And we will see how much does this device heat up when we start Modern Combat on this. So we are starting Modern Combat 5 now, and after this session we will get to see how much does the device really does heat up after an intense bout of gaming. So we played for few minutes, we played Mortal Kombat X, for few minutes we played Asphalt 8, and now for a few minutes we are playing the Modern Combat game. So the game has begun now, begun, okay enough, decent, let us just go forward. We don't need to see the cutscenes.
What's happening?
My name is Mika. Bruce sent me. Right now, we need to get out of here.
Yes, we really need to get out of here. So it had been a really bad experience killing that person, and it's time to kill all the bad people. So let us just move forward and follow the girl. I am also trying to stay back. So this game is really taxing and really demanding on the processor, and this game is something which can make the device heat up really well, because right now also I am feeling in my hand that the device is really heating up. So it's time to go on. It seems that I'm going to get killed, and I'm killed right now. So let us just test the temperature right now after such an intense session. 46°C after playing Modern Combat Blackout 5. And let us just move on to Nova 3, and then we will see how much is the temperature. We have skipped a little bit of the loading scenes between these games, just a minor gap of 20-30 seconds to save your time, but these all tests have been done in true succession. So let us just resume the campaign mode. So it's Dead Trigger 2 right now, and it's time to kill those aliens. So I'm just shooting walls right now. The game is going on, and as we continue these successive bouts of gaming, we will find that the temperature does increase to a really high extent. So I guess it's time to check the temperature.
Nice one. I could use a little help here.
45 degrees Celsius still, not hitting much above that. So we have begun the inside session and started killing few more people. And it has been an intense killing session till now. So I was killed, and let us just move forward and we will test another game, and then we will see how much does the temperature rise up. So we will play Dead Trigger 2 right now. So a lot of games are running in the RAM right now, and they are loaded up in the RAM right now, and apart from that we are going to play another game on top of that, and then we will test the overall temperature of this device. So 45 degrees Celsius was the maximum that it reached. Let us see if we can make it go even beyond that or not. So we have begun the game, Dead Trigger 2, and for a starting temperature, let us just see how much is the temperature right now. 42, 41, a little bit cool down. I really hate zombies. looking like some good dollars. Let's find the scientist. That was too much stuff from a single zombie. So now let us just go and locate the scientist. And right now the device is filling up, really heated up right now. And we guess this is almost nice enough. And let us just test the temperature right now. (40, 39, 41, 42). It's in the range of 40, 41, 42. So the device did not heat up more than 45 degrees Celsius, and that was really nice. And we played quite a few games, and in this gaming session we found out that the device hit a peak of 45 degrees Celsius. For accounting for some error, it would be around plus minus 2 degrees Celsius, 45 plus minus 2. So that's decent enough, not too much heat, but still it does heat up in gaming sessions. So guys, that was all for our heating review for the Coolpad Note 3. Don't forget to hit like on this video and do subscribe to our channel. This is Aitanaj Jha from InspiredToRise.com signing off, folks. Stay inspired to rise.